Today we have a house wash. We will be cleaning the exterior of the windows, the surfaces, the full house wash, the windows. We have a vinyl fence that we'll be doing. So I will be showing you the before and after video. Here's the vinyl fence. You see that green at the bottom? We're gonna kill all of that. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. All that green, it gotta go. Algae, we'll eat it up. Miracle pressure washing. Today will be a great day. We have this outside of the vinyl fence that we'll be cleaning. It's a lot of green. It's a lot of green, guys. We're gonna get this one. So the customer wants me to do both sides of the fence. The outside is worse than the inside. The back patio, we will be cleaning that one as well, the back patio. Yeah, let's do it. Let me show you. I'm gonna come around here to the other side of the house where I can let you see the inside of the gate. It's not as bad as the outside, but right here, it is bad right here. These areas, that window's bad. See, it's dirty right up in here. This area is pretty bad. Yeah, we're gonna make this white. Yeah, so we got the surfaces right around the back of the house. The patio. Yeah, we gotta clean out the area of the patio if we can clean that. We got these windows, these back windows, these surfaces. We gotta get these. We're gonna bring that back to life. Yeah, let's do it. The windows, all this surface area, all this area here, this gate, this gate, these surfaces over here on this side of the house. And also we got the driveway. It's not really that bad, but we'll make it look better. This little gate, I'm gonna get that. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna make that look better. All this green, I'm gonna get all this sidewalk, walkway to the front door. We're gonna get all that. All right, let's do it. All right, we're finished. So the concrete is done. The customer didn't want the full sidewalk done, so I did one block for him. Right here, I did one block. On both sides, the house wash, the white. You see everything is getting white, bright white. You're gonna need his roof done. The walkway, I cleaned the walkway. The full house. Got your windows clean. All the surface white now. You can look at the previous, they were bad. This gate is white, white, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good, looks new. The customer is really happy. All the way down white, all the way down. All that green is gone, all that green is gone. I love it, I love it. Miracle pressure washing, this is what we do. Everything is white, everything is white. Right here is the neighbor, so I kind of hit right here and went around. And then I did the other block on this side of the right here. This area here, the door, the inside of the gate. Everything is white, everything is white. The surface, we got them white. This area was bad. I got them all white. The windows are clean. All the surface area over here, I did the little line, cleaned that up for them. That was an add-in, they added that on. The gate all the way around is all white, snow white, snow white. All that green is gone, yes, yes. All the surface clean, look all the way up under. All that green is gone, bye-bye. The windows are clean. Yes, yes, this is what we do. Miracle pressure washing, everything is clean. All that white, I hit that. That fence, the driveway is still wet, but it looks much better in the house.